Okay, I want to show you guys these new bowls that I got. I'm excited because these ones are always nice. Are always nice to have around the kitchen. This one is the color that I chose for this one, and it comes with all the lids over here for all of them. So they come in different sizes, as you can see, and this is the smallest one over here. And then they come with this one that is what's next over here. These bowls are glass and they last a long time. I like them also because with the glass you don't have that problem that you're worried about what you put and if the food is going to stain them and then they're going to look kind of like So these ones, no matter what, they're gonna look good, they're gonna look nice, and you can see through what you are cooking and doing, which is a huge part. And then that's the reason why I chose them like this. So this is the other size. This is the next one. Obviously, they all come with their leaves. And the last one is the biggest one. So you can put here, you can make salads, you can mix cakes, you can cook, you can serve, you can. So they are good for serving because they look good, and they are good for cooking because they're practical. And so it's a huge, a great set to have in every household and a great gift to give as well.